experience was fabulous. It was not only just informative, but also was transformational, because as I was going through the process of actually learning and getting that deep understanding, I was also having my own experience as well.
That's great. What stands out as the most valuable thing for you?
The thing that was most valuable is the fact that I've actually been through extensive coach training. I've been exposed to NLP before, and what I find in many cases previously was that it seemed that it was more focused on process, and it almost felt like you were just learning parlor tricks. In this particular case, what I really found was that you got the deep understanding, so that you not only got the processes and the techniques of how to transform individuals, but also you got the deep understanding of what was actually happening under the covers, what was actually happening as an experience for the client, so that you can now start to not only just do NLP, but you understand it, and more importantly, start to bring out your own artistry to now really actually apply it.
So would you recommend this to your friends? Do you think this is a must-have course? Or?
Oh, it's a must-have. For anyone who is interested in transforming themselves, working with other individuals, or even just being more of an advocate or a communication specialist in the family, absolutely, no question.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Good luck to you, Brian.